We want it. We need it. My precious. Hi, Jewies. Here's Alexandra. And today, with a very special unboxing. Yes, my HD camera has finally arrived. This is the Panasonic HDC-SD40. And before I unbox this, I have to thank you to the person who sponsored me with this camera. This was the master of the warp core, and he has his own YouTube channel and as well as his own website, thewarpcore.co.uk. And well, the links you can see down there in the video description, and I demand of every last one of you to go there and say at least thank you. So he has managed it to bring the HD to you or with my new videos. And well, let's start with the unboxing. This is the box of the Panasonic HDC-SD40. This is a very nice Panasonic HD camera. And let's open the box. So, at first we have here two discs, one with the operating instructions, the instruction manual, and with a little program, the HD Writer LE 1.0 from Panasonic. I don't know what this program exactly is, but I guess it's some kind of program to convert videos from the camera to your PC. So then we have a quick start manual here. Next we have here, this is the power cable, and here we have the fitting truffle. The power cable goes to there, and this goes to the camera. So, next item, we have here a USB wire to attach it to your PC. Then we have here a wire to attach it to your TV. And last but not least, but the most important thing, the camera itself. So, the box is empty. Let's put it out of the way. And let's see what we have here. So, long life battery, 169 gram, full HD camera. So, and this is the nice little thing. As you can see, the full HD goes to 1920 times 1080. This is the video resolution that is this camera capable of. So let's remove that real quick, and let's have a look at the camera itself. Here the front, there we have. This is the lens. It has a nice optical zoom with 16.8 times optical zoom. It has an OIS, so this is an optical image stabilizer. The camera comes with a video LED light. This is right here. I hope this could be quite helpful for my painting tutorials. So let's open up the camera itself. We have a nice big display here that is turnable. Here we have some controls. And two really nice features are that at this camera you are able to remove the power supply while it is attached to a tripod, because here's the tripod stand and you have always access to the battery and as well as the SD card slot that is here. That is a very, very nice, interesting feature. Normally, the cameras I owned for the years, you always had to screw it down from the tripod, but this now ends. So let's power it up. Zim. So in this box there is no SD card, but well, you can already see here the display is functioning and makes really nice quality videos. So let's test the zoom. Quite nice zoom. Yeah, the camera is working, and as you can see how close I can get with the camera and it still focuses. I think for miniature purposes this is quite nice. Well, let's grab quickly a miniature. For example, this fella here. So, yeah. I'm already almost touching the lens itself, and you see it's quite focusing. So, for miniature painting purposes and video making, this camera is absolutely beautiful. And well, the next videos will be with this camera. Thank you again to the master of the warp core for sponsoring me with this new camera, and we can all see the new technology in HD. So, Jibbies, we see us in the next video. You're Alexandra.